Professor Subramani, Mrs. Subramani, and all invited, press, media, police personnel, staff of government hospitals, blood bank authorities, and all the invitees today. I see small children, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, it gives me a great pleasure to be here today. It's an important day when blood donation is going on. But blood donation, where does it go? To the bank. What do you earn money? Where does it go? It goes to SBI. Bank. So both are synonymous, like blood bank and our bank, money bank. But this is not the place. It is very rarely involved in blood bank. Normally it is arranged in schools, in colleges, in festivals, like large gatherings are there. Their health gatherings are there. It is arranged. Blood donation is one of the ultimate noble donations. You have so many donations, cancer donations, blood donations. There are accident donations. Government also takes donations. But all of them are hard-earned money which goes to really the needy ones or not, no one knows. But blood donation is the only donation which goes to the right place into another man's blood. So that is self-awareness. And how long does it take? Hardly 4 to 5 minutes or 10 minutes will take. 250 to 300 ml of blood is taken out of 5.5 liters what a normal man or woman has. So how long does it take to recoup? It takes only 24 hours. Within 24 hours, whatever lost blood will come back to normal. But the quality of blood, it will take some more time until unless you give back the necessity to the blood manufacturing union, right? Fresh vegetables, fruits, sunlight. Like if you give assist that formation, it comes back by the other. A bit of history of blood donation. When did it start? It is not new. Blood donation concept started in the late 1600s. So everything was happening in the European countries. The first transfusion of blood happened in 1723, that too in England, London, proper. After delivery there was a heavy bleeding, so the blood was given back to the patient. That's how the transfusion started in 1700. Then this blood group was not known. ABO group was not known. It happened only in 1800s. So in 1800, the blood group was started in Austria, again in one of the European countries. So after that, regular blood transfusion started taking place in Australia. It became very popular after the Red Cross Society took over the owners of blood donation camps and blood donation banks, blood distribution, and then actively took part in all the world wars, because it started in early 1907 it started, and then the whole thing geared up. It's one of the most widespread NGOs of the world, recognized by all the authorities, government, non-government, throughout the world. So blood donation is very, very important because it not only saves life, it helps the individual who gives blood. One is you feel rejuvenated and a self-elation mood will happen in you because the feeling of saving another life that ignites the positiveness in your mind and body, and it prevents cancer, they say, and it helps to improve your immunity because the new cells come in very fast and the hunger improves and there is no sense of weakness or anything if 300 ml blood is taken. Blood donation is excellent project, but right usage should be there. It should go to the place where the blood is really required. And blood cannot be kept lifelong. It has a shelf life. It has to go within that period. Nowadays, blood donation is very helpful because now and again it comes and then a lot of platelet transfusion has to be given. Blood donation, if it is not used, samples are not used, then they separate out the cells and then give protein injections, IV infusions, they give platelet infusions. Other infusions are also there. Likewise, blood donation is an ultimate donation which is earned by you and you are responsible. You need not beg or borrow or steal to donate and earn name. You can earn name by donating your own God-given asset in your body, which is flowing always. So I wish it back.
I request Ramchandrappa sir to give a bouquet and welcome our Dr. Murli sir. We are working for this. We heartily welcome to Ravinder sir for this blood donation camp, Rotary Trail KJ.
ಕೊಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸುಮಾರು ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಲ್ತಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬ್ಲಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕೊಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಲೈಫನ್ನು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕ್ರೋನಿಕ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಹುಡುಕ್ತೀವಿ, ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ನ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹುಡುಕ್ತೀವಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ. ಈ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟು, ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟು, ಮೇಯ್ನಾಗಿ KGFನ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಮತ್ತು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ 1 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫನ್ನು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Madam Margaret, madam, thanks for coming, madam. It's a surprise you came here. We are happy to receive you for this event.
All of you, to make sure the blood circulates in your body. Thank you. This clapping is not for me, it's for yourself. That we are all alive today, breathing with a cheerful face. Blood is meant not only to circulate in our body, but in the body of others whenever there is a need. Money circulates in the bank. The rumors of the news circulates in the society. And gossip circulates faster than truth in the society again.
But here is blood, as doctor said, 5.5 liters of blood, which circulates in our body from the time since the time we are born, even before we are born. It is said, if you connect all the blood vessels in your body into a straight line, take a deep breath. It runs to 20,000 miles. This 5.5 liters of blood circulates all these 20,000 miles thanks to the heart that is pumping day and night. So whenever there is a need for a person who is in danger or needs for a continued survival, we need to donate blood. We are donating blood every day to the mosquitoes. All of us, we donate blood to the mosquitoes, but that is of no use. When we just donate blood to the needy, it means something, sustenance of life and putting a smile on the face of every other person. So with this message, I encourage and I appreciate the State Bank of India